So today we are netting for robins and hopefully we'll catch some robins. So what's next to me here is a mist net, and so we're hoping to capture individuals and hopefully tag them if they weigh enough with satellite tags to be able to track their migratory pathways. Thinking about is that playback is kind of stressful for a robin.
In order to look at how birds migrate and why they migrate, we've got to attach things to their backs that actually communicate to satellites going around the Earth. Satellites that are free orbiting, as well as antennas on things like the International Space Station. So we put these tags on the backs of these birds that communicate their location. We're trying to understand why they migrate, where they migrate, what the drivers of migration are. And it's fundamental information for a species this common to understand that sort of thing if we hope to understand how they might be responding to various forces of environmental change, such as climate.
You want to reach up in there?
Sure.
Okay. Good look at it.
So what's really cool about robins is that you have some robins that are migratory and some that aren't. So then they form this natural basis for comparison.
But those are good. You want me to hand her to you?
Sure. Part of what's central to trying to figure out why some birds migrate and some don't is a lot of people look at, is it genetic? So we should be able to tell, basically the relative roles of genetics versus the environment in shaping why birds migrate. It's really variable, like some bird, less than a gram right there. 70.7. 70. Yeah, so it's 10 grams too light. Put the bird in the bird bag while I get everything ready that I want for measuring and banding and all that. He is actually, not she. We don't have her. XY?
Yep, indeed.
Yeah, like that. This technology is super cool and really helpful for robins because this tag remotely transmits locations to a central database that you can download those locations. What is it?
We are trying to establish the Internet of Animals, and that really capitalizes on the collective behavior, the swarm intelligence of animals. And that can tell us, for example, where is climate change most dramatic? It can tell us where diseases are hiding, but also where diseases are spreading. Now imagine you had that with lots of intelligent animals that communicate, what kind of information you could get for life on the planet. And that's more important than weather forecast, or it's basically a life forecast of what's happening.
We can use this technology, put it on the birds, and they will be our Earth observers. And so we can use the information that we're getting from these tags to really figure out, how are they navigating through these landscapes? attention so they
Right,
can
like the volleyball.
hit and bounce that way.